In this exercise, we're going to lay down on our left side. What we're going to do is we're going to work on a clamshell leg movement where we can either move our right foot up a little bit or just have it in place against the wall, both feet against the wall. This knee is going to move forward a bit away from the top of this left knee, so they're uneven at this point. And then from here, I'm going to bring this right knee up into the air. So I'm pushing, and I'm going to be feeling a bit of my glute and my glute max on this side. If I don't feel it right away, I can get some separation between my right and left feet, and then I can try it again. In this case, I do feel a little bit more. We got to make sure we inhale and exhale. So if we stop here, this is going to be just called the left side lying right glute max. Sometimes I call this clamshell 2.0 because it's a little bit more specific and a little more focused. From here, we can progress into the left side lying knee towards knee, where we have our right foot separated again. We go into the clamshell, but now this knee is going to go up towards this knee. So what I can do is I'm going to try to think of bringing this knee upwards into this leg while this leg stays still. So I'm going to go inhale, feeling this right side. Exhale, this knee comes up. I can hold on to the ground because it's going to be a little bit harder without it. And I'm getting a little bit of space. So even for myself, this is a little difficult. So I'm taking an inhale. And as I exhale, I'm making sure that I'm trying to use my adductor to do this. I'm not using my calves. And I'm feeling a fair bit of left abdominals in this case. And then I can reset and try it again. What I can do to make this a little bit easier for myself is I can start in this passive adducted position where I have this pad here. Now my left leg is up a little bit because this is underneath my body. Going into this top position. Feel my right glute. Trying to push away from the pad now, so this is a little more difficult. Whilst maintaining this top leg.